Hello, everyone. This is Jim Okersinski with your week 12 screencast video. So, in the announcement section, and as I usually do over the weekend, is I publish the next week's schedule. So, since we're coming up to the Thanksgiving holiday, I thought I would begin by introducing weeks 12 and 13 in the announcement and screencast video here. So, just to run through the schedule quickly, this is drafting week. First draft and peer report for SA3 will be due on Tuesday. And be sure to review page 43, the organizational structure in your textbook, for some ideas. And just to reinforce the problem, solution, proposal format. Here we go. That's SA3. Here's the, oops, wrong one. Here we go. All right. So we have how to organize a proposal essay on page 43. There we go. So that's exactly what you want to read before drafting your first draft. So I also mentioned about the discussion boards. There was a purpose behind the discussion boards. I mentioned this earlier in the unit. Discussion board 12, researching a topic, gave everybody an idea of a topic. Was actually a discussion board 13. You did some research, the three sources, using and citing sources, was where you work with some quotes with those sources. I might have gotten my discussion board numbers mixed up, but those are the headlines and the subjects of those discussion boards. So even if you've got a couple of good paragraphs, a couple of good hamburger quotes in there, you can use those for your first draft. You can copy and paste those and put those in your draft. Write an opening, and you're probably about halfway to what you need for the first draft. Reminder, since the final draft of this research essay is 1,250 words, the first draft underneath the 80% rule needs to be 1,000 words. So you want to make sure that you try your best to get up to that 1,000 words. It'll make it easier to transition to the final essay draft. Peer reviews will be due on Friday, and the final draft of SA3 will be due on Sunday. Then we're going to move into the cover letter unit. I will open that module up sometime during the week so you can take a look at that. Over the Thanksgiving holiday, we have nothing due on that Friday over on Friday that weekend, just responses due on Sunday, November 28th. So you want to make sure that you do get those drafts posted as quickly as possible. I've already created, as you can see here, the SA3 folder in our Drive folder, right? And the peer report for SA3 has already been uploaded. As usual, since this is the third essay assignment of the semester, please make sure that you make a copy for yourself before you start working in that document. That way you can preserve that form for everybody else in the class. So that about covers it. Be aware I did push out a separate announcement notifying everybody about the withdrawal date. So you may want to review that announcement. I believe it is November 16th. As stated in the syllabus, after that date, I can only issue you the grade that you have earned through your coursework activity throughout the semester. So please be aware of that date. If you have any questions, you can send me an email. So this is a look at the next 2 weeks. I will push out a lecture video this week, and also I'll push out a screencast video right before the Thanksgiving holiday. All right. If you have any questions or issues, please send me an email. Good luck.